Hi, I'm David Baer from Baer on Marketing, and in this video, we'll be talking about how to get more traffic from Pinterest. Now, you may be asking yourself why Pinterest, of all platforms out there, Facebook and Twitter and YouTube are great at sending traffic, but Pinterest is often overlooked by a lot of businesses out there. And in fact, they send more traffic that results in a sale than any other platform out there. So you really do want to think about, is your business appropriate for the audience that exists on Pinterest in general? Now, we often think of the Pinterest user as a middle-aged female, but there are a lot of people on Pinterest in a lot of different demographics and interests. So do take a look at Pinterest and see if your audience exists there. If they do, then you should be leveraging that platform as well. So let's dive into a few tips on how you can actually get more Pinterest traffic to your web resources. So one thing you always want to do, regardless of what platform you're using, is set very clear marketing goals. Know what you want to get out of that platform. For example, are you looking for signups? Are you looking for clicks? Are you looking for people to share the content that you're posting on Pinterest? Do you want engagement on your pins? Are you looking for new followers on the platform? Those goals are going to help direct what you're actually doing on the platform in order to get those particular outcomes. Next thing is you want to make sure to find a way to brand yourself so that there's consistency in the way that you're presenting your content. This is really helpful in the mind of the follower, who, when they see things that they like from you over and over again, they can associate it not just with the content, but with you as a business. So, things like colors or logos or fonts. Do you have little characters, like cartoon characters, for example? Do you use handwriting in all of your posts or your pins? Those are helpful things to think about so that there's a consistency across the things that you are sharing on Pinterest. Showcase top influencers. So if you have people in your industry, in your field, who are using Pinterest as well, who are well known and have a ton of followers, showcase them as well. Here are a few benefits when you showcase an influencer. First, you get that influencer's attention. They become aware of you, and you can leverage that to do things like maybe do an interview with them or collaborate on a project or a product that you're putting together, or do some sort of joint venture. It also is very helpful in the mind of the follower that you are somehow connected or associated with that influencer. It helps improve your the impression that they have of you because you are somehow associating yourself with that influencer. And then it also helps you find new audience members. If those influencers are being featured on your pins, then you have the ability to attract some of their followers as well. Use rich pins. Now, there are different types of pins on Pinterest. There are the regular pins that you can do, but then these rich pins cover a few different areas. There's product pins, which allow you to include real-time pricing information that you can have people click on and go over to a product. There's app pins. This allows you to include an install button inside of the pin. There's article pins. This allows you to include author, headline, story descriptions so that people know the details before clicking over to an article. And finally, there's a recipe pin. This is kind of like a recipe card, that you might have sort of old style recipe little box, and you can thumb through the cards. Well, this is that sort of thing as well, is that it allows you to like put a little photo and help people know stuff like the critical pieces of a recipe. So this is obviously specific to the cooking niche, for example. All right. Infographics, very, very helpful. They get shared a lot, and you can share a bit of information that might help someone move toward an interest in a purchase that the information may result in. Right, initially some curiosity, some interest in some education, and then ultimately you can guide them to a place where they can follow up to sign up or buy or whatever it may be that you want them to do. You also want to think about optimizing for SEO, search engine optimization, by doing things like using hashtags, utilizing keywords that people are searching for in your image names and in your posts or your pins, using seasonal pins so that when people are searching for things that may be related to holidays or whatever season of the year it may be, they may find your things as well. There are plugins that you can use to include meta tags, particularly in rich pins, and then finally including rich pin URLs along with article backlinks so that you have traffic going both way in the minds of these search engines. Now, all of this information that I've shared with you so far is available in a great little mini course called More Traffic and Sales with Pinterest. This is the textbook from that, and it's part of a larger membership program from the folks at MyNAMS, the Novice to Advanced Marketing System, called the Profit Planners. There are a slew of different subjects that they cover. Here's a screenshot of my account. Each and every month, a new topic is covered. You can see in this screenshot, the topic is how to have clients find you online. But it really covers a range of things from email list building, email marketing, affiliate marketing, building a advisor or coaching or consulting business online, and a whole range of other things that any online business ought to consider utilizing. The way that it works is that there's sort of a course book, textbook, as well as checklists and worksheets and lists of tools to be able to implement all of that stuff. And each month you get a new set of training and implementation guides. Incredibly powerful stuff. And if you're in the world of online business or marketing and offline business online, a lot of this stuff can be incredibly helpful. Now, it's priced in a few different ways. There's a monthly and an annual option, but really the best value is this one here in the middle, this one-time payment, and you get everything that they've already posted in the membership site as well as anything that they post in the future. And hopefully, this has been around for 3+ years at this point. They will continue to be adding really great additional content on an ongoing basis. Now, if you pick up this one-time payment through my affiliate link, my share link that I have below this video, you can actually grab one of the following 6 bonuses. These are products that I sell on my website, baeronmarketing.com. The first is my email campaign mastery templates. The second is a sales copy course. The third one, a lifecycle marketing course. The fourth is a social media marketing course. And then the last ones are software. One to get more opt-ins through mobile devices, and then a graphics toolkit to do some online graphics creation as well. So if you're interested in learning more about the Profit Planners program, as well as signing up for a little bit of additional training from me and a chance to get one of these bonuses should you decide to go ahead and grab the Profit Planners, go ahead and click the link below this video for more details, and I look forward to seeing you in your inbox as I follow up with some additional bonus training and some information on the Profit Planners. Thanks so much for watching. I'm David Baer, and best of luck to you in driving more traffic to your business from Pinterest. Oh, hey, before you go, if you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you got a comment, please leave one. And finally, don't forget to subscribe.